Hi guys, you are all welcome to my YouTube channel. Wow, I've seen another best app that pays you massive money without doing anything. Wow, just tapping on your screen and earn massive dollar online, earning 8 million coin online. Very simple to get 8 million coin in a day. Within how many? Within 2 days you are earning 8 million coin. So, and it's very easy. So if you know you want to name the name of this app, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share these videos for more. So let's go to the app. So the name of this app, so this is the app. So we're going to this app now. So this app pays you per click. When you click on the monsters, you need to click on the monsters. So when you click on this monsters, you have to earn money by clicking on the monsters. So let's wait for this app to load. So this is the app here. So they have given you love. So when you click here, one coin. See, the more you tap, they're giving you one coin. Can you see that it's adding to your money? It's adding to your money here. So in this place here, they say plus 4 click for 30 seconds. So let's try it. So if you click here,
Are you unable to find friends to play with?
so if
Are
you
you
watch
often
ads for
cheated by
30
advanced players?
seconds, they'll give
Do you
you more
think the
click.
game is too
So
boring?
if
Well,
you want, you
these are
just
not a problem for the Waje game
30
at all.
seconds.
Waje game is a local game hall in Nigeria and it has an intelligent matching mechanism that allows you to meet players on the same level as you and make more friends. The most important thing is that it has many ways to play, such as what,
So we
dice,
are now watching
fishing,
the video.
ludo, baccarat, and so many more. And now, there's a new benefit. As long as you download Waje game from the link below this video, you get 10,013 naira at most on the first day of login. Waje game, you don't have to worry about boredom.
So we have watched it. Can you see that I've added more to the love? So when you just plus five, there you see plus 5 to it, plus 5. When you keep tapping plus 5, you just keep tapping plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. The counting time for 15. Can you see? The more you keep tap, very fast, more fast. But the best thing I prefer, you can use auto click. So you need to keep tapping. So you need to keep tapping. The more you tap, they'll be adding more to your coin per day. So if you want to earn massive money using auto click, I'll teach you how you can use auto click. And if you want to boost your odd, so times 3 of it. So let's go to our auto click app. So I'm teaching how you use auto click, how you can set auto click. So you're pressing back. So I already have auto clicker app on my phone. You just come to this side, go to your auto click app. You have to go to your auto click app. So you set auto click and you leave your phone for like 30 seconds. You see what the auto click will do. Wow, the auto click you have to do create a massive money for you. So that's what the says you set which one. So you have to choose this one. So this is it. So you have to go back. Click here. So you are going back to this place here. So you have to set this thing here. So you leave your phone alone. You press play. You leave your phone alone just for like 1 hour, and you will see the great massive you're going to earn. So they pays you money inside your PayPal. So for those of you that have PayPal account, and in Nigeria, they say some people do not have PayPal account. They don't know how to open PayPal account in Nigeria, and it's very easy to open PayPal account if you have credit card. If you have credit card, and some of you are saying that I know how you can get credit card in Nigeria. That's how you can get credit card in Nigeria. So now come here now, press play. Can you see it's creating it for you? You just leave your phone alone and you earn massive money without tapping anything. Can you see it's very even fast in clicking it, earning up to 8 million coin in a day, and 8 million coin in a day is $4. 8 million coin in a day is $4. Wow, we earning $4 in a day using this 8 million coin. So guys, it's clicking. Can you see it? Can you see it is clicking? Continue clicking. Keep clicking for life. You leave your phone here, just imagine it, you are in the night, you leave your phone for like how many hours? From 6 till daybreak. You see what this thing have earned for you. God, you are going to earn massive money using this site. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos. Can you see just now? I'm earning just one. Can you see it? So the more this thing click, the more you earn on this site. So it pays you very much. So subscribe, like, and share. So I'll be pinning this app referral link in these videos. So they'll be giving you, when you use my referral link, they'll be giving you 0.05 USD for the first time signing up. So please don't forget, like, share these videos for more, and subscribe for more. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Can you see it's very clicking? I'm still earning massive money. Oh, so great, earning massive money in this. So if you don't want to be doing this type, you want to be upgrading your this thing, so you can also set another auto click here that can be watching your videos for you. So the auto click, you have to watch the videos for you. So that's it about this app. It pays you a lot of money every day. Can you see it? That keep changing the monsters every day. So let's stop it. And now if you want to withdraw your money, some people want to know how. So you have to come to this side here. Can you see it? You have to come to this side here. So receive, you can have what, 8 million coin, and in the day you can up to 8 million coin. Can you see we have just how many 0, 1, 2, 3. So before daybreak tomorrow morning, you have getting somewhere up to 300,000, 400,000, depending on how you are clicking and depending on how fast you are doing it. So that's just it about this app. And there's more bonus again. And if you want to earn more fast, you can be doing all this times 3 click for 30 seconds plus 1 click auto. So it will audit itself. So if you want to receive your money, so you have to watch, you do inside your PayPal. When you have up to 8 million coin, they are paying inside your PayPal, only PayPal. And this site is really legit for everyone. So everyone receive their payment. If you don't receive your payment, let me know, show the proof in the comment section. I'll find something to do. So thanks for watching. And please, if you want to learn more about Forex, so I'm uploading Forex video using my laptop. So you can watch more about Forex segments and how to trade, so our signals of Forex. So I'll keep uploading that. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more. God bless you all.